I no go react to the political development for Akwa-Ibom State Udom Emmanuel. Welcome country people to Sinok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop updates. Make you like, comment and share our videos. Country people, una go recall the news of the defection to APC of the Governor of Akwa-Ibom State, Pastor Eno, and how some people follow am obviously, but some of his commissioners and political aides, they not follow am. As at the last count, about 5 commissioners don resign from in cabinet, and the tori come say the House of Assembly members dem, they talk say they no go follow am go join the APC. They say for them, including the commissioners when he resign, say politics na about principles, not just personal interest. And report enter say Udom Emmanuel, the former governor, when he help Eno to become governor, so say he feel bad about wetin happen, and he talk say they go wrestle power from Governor Eno for 2027. However, the tori when we dey get now say former Governor Udom Emmanuel, for one statement when he issue on Sunday through im media assistant, Barrister Stephen Abia, Mr. Emmanuel clarify say he don make conscious decision not to comment on the political shift for Akwa-Ibom State. He say he intends to maintain that commitment not to interfere for the affairs of the current administration. The statement when he title "Why Udom Emmanuel no go react to the political development of Akwa-Ibom State," he dismiss reports when e dey circulate online say he don make public remarks regarding the defection of the governor. According to the statement, the immediate past governor of Akwa-Ibom State, Mr. Udom Emmanuel CON, he no issue any statement nor grant any interview in response to political development for Akwa-Ibom State. He said this na in line with im decision to allow the governor, Pastor Eno PhD of the state, free hand make he run the state without interference. Mr. Abia come note further say Emmanuel, he don return to private life since he hand over power in 2023, and he don deliberately refrain from political commentary as part of im post office principle. As you observe, according to the statement, he dey keep to im promise of returning to his private practice and make the governor take full charge of moving the state forward. The statement come challenge any media platform or individual when e dey claim say Udom Emmanuel comment on this matter, make dem provide verifiable evidence. The statement come say the general public, they call on them make dem discountenance, make dem dismiss that news report when e come from one obscure online news platform, when e say Udom Emmanuel talk, e say anyone when claim say the immediate past governor grant am a recent interview, e say make e publish the video or audio clip of the said conversation. Country people, this one come be like rebuter for Udom Emmanuel when he help Umoreno to ascend the throne, if we go put am like that, because according to the tori when e dey available, e say Governor Eno na Udom Emmanuel na and pick am, e come back am in the lead up to the 2023 gubernatorial elections. And so when Umar Eno decide to defect, apparently e no even consult the former governor when e be like im political godfather. Na decision when im choose to take. And the former governor, from this statement now, when e don release, e dey say e no get any comment to make on the position of the governor and also the political change in the state. He say he don promise himself long ago, say he no go interfere for the governance of the state. Well, when you look wetin Udom Emmanuel dey talk, e go still deserve some praise. Unlike some states where trouble dey between the predecessor and the successor. So na good thing for once, say the godfather allegedly e give the godson the free hand to make a choice politically. However, the body language of Udom Emmanuel dey indicate say e no dey satisfied with wetin Umar Eno don do, since Akwa-Ibom na PDP stronghold for many years dey come now, and suddenly the governor don choose to align with the ruling party for center. Country people, this scenario e dey play up so many things that e dey make people dey give their opinion as e be. Somebody dey praise Udom Emmanuel. He say when you hand over mantle to the elected person, say both governance and structure, he say you no dey look back, you no dey interfere. Say Udom na gentleman. He come say e no be like one other politician for Rivers when e do incomplete handover. Another person dey of the view say Pastor Eno na politician, and he say no be pastor or a political a la carte, whatever that one mean. He talk some other things. He say, and by this development, Umar Eno go likely win a second term in office. Another one say, just allow the person go. I no wan use wetin he use. He say to avoid destruction. Country people, how una see the demeanor of Udom Emmanuel? How una see im posture not to interfere for the political maneuverings for im state, especially for the person when im bring to take over from am? Although people dey say if you not talk like this, na be say e no go fit face the trouble when e go come meet am. I no know which trouble they dey refer to. They say e get cases full ground and that if e just try anything, EFCC go begin find am o. So e better as im just talk am like this, make e no upset the cat the way they dey talk am for English. Well, how una see this development and how e go play out since everybody dey look towards 2027? Abeg drop your comments.